Alright, what's up guys? So welcome to another edition. I'm Chi. If you're new to my channel, you can click that subscribe button. That way you'll be updated with all of the contents that I'll be uploading. So today, we will be unboxing the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra 5G. So let's see what's inside the box. So these guys also are freebies that came along with this one. And I got this from our network here in the Philippines. And they're giving this for free. So this one has a price tag of 9,990 pesos. That's right around 190 or 200 US dollars if you're going to be converting it to the dollar. So this came free with this one. So it says right there. There you go. It's free and not for sale. So we'll also be unboxing this and see if it's also worth it for the price if you're going to be buying it individually in the market. So without further ado, let's open this. Okay, so this was sent just today in the mail. We ordered it online and from our telecom provider. So this is the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra 5G, which is Samsung's flagship product and the latest one. So so comes with this card, Samsung Concierge VIP After. So must have all of the details about after sales that they're providing. Okay, so this is the actual phone. It is Phantom Black. So S21 Ultra 5G comes in two color variants. One is Phantom Silver and the Phantom Black. So chose the Phantom Black, which is uh, the render is matte, actually matte black. Okay, so quick start guide. There you go. Okay, so let's just put it there for a sec and let's check out this box. So just so you know guys, the latest models of Samsung does not go with adapters already. So the plug-in adapters that you plug in the outlet, it doesn't go with it anymore. So here's the cable. Both ends are type C. So the adapter is now sold separately. Let me check out this earbuds. See how it looks like. If it would also go nice along with the Galaxy S21. Okay, so next would be the AirPods that came along with the phone. Check out how it looks like and if it's as nice as the phone itself. Okay, so there's the case of AirPods. See what's inside. Okay, so it's Samsung. There you go. So as soon as you open it, you'll see that lighting up. So the box is also your charging station, so you just have to plug it. There's where you can plug the cord at the back of that box. Okay, so let's see what accessories also goes along with it. Okay, there you go. So there's the charging cable. So it's USB on the other side and Type C on the other side. Okay, so the usual charging and data cables that we currently have right now. Let's see what's inside the small box. Okay, so there's 4 spare rubber pods. So replacement pods for your AirPods. Okay, so as you can see, it could already detect the AirPods. So the phone can already detect the AirPods right away. So we'll just set it up at a later time, but I just wanted to let you see how it looks like when it detects or when the phone detects. Okay, so next would be the adapter that came along with it. It's a 25-watt adapter, and again, it's not included in the phone box or accessories. The only thing that's included that goes along with the phone is the cable. So the Type C to Type C cable and the SIM ejector pin and the papers that goes along with it, but it does not go with this adapter. So not sure why that is, but I think it's, well, marketing strategy for the cell phone providers to make us spend more. Okay, so it's a 25-watt adapter made by Samsung, so it's also original. And there is an option to transfer all your files and apps from another or an old phone going to this new phone, but we're not going to do it now. So we're just going to skip it and just. Okay, so let's test the camera. So right out of the box, you have to take off that film, that protective film on top of your camera. Because if not, it's like a frosted type of plastic that's covering the camera itself. So now you can see it's so clear. So that's for wide angled camera, it is 108 megapixels. And for 10 times zoom, it is 10 megapixels. And the selfie camera for that is 40 megapixels. So you can see the options. The camera or the back camera, the main camera, can go up to 8K video resolution. So there is the super steady or the image stabilizer, the image stabilization. So stand by for the next video or content that we will be uploading. We will be uploading a review, a comprehensive review of this phone with the features that goes along with it. So for now, we just showed you the basics of phone itself. Okay, so I'm using the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra 5G camera right now for the vlog. So I replaced the vlogging camera that I was using. I was using a Canon M50 earlier when I was unboxing it. Now I'm using the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra camera for the video. It's on full HD at 60 FPS, and you can notice the difference. It's really clear based from what I can see. I'm using the selfie camera right now, so the front camera, and the back camera is 108 megapixels. So wow, imagine that. And so I will also discuss that on the next video with the review of this Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra 5G. So stay tuned for that. Okay guys, so this is the back camera, which is the 108 megapixel main camera of this phone. So notice the difference from the front and the back. They are, well, you would not notice any big difference because we're recording at both for full HD, which is 1080p, and running it at 60 FPS. So the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra 5G could record up to 8K of video. So it's really good. Wait until the next video for this review. We'll put it to the test. Check out the different cameras, camera options, camera resolutions. So if you're new to my channel, again, please do not forget to like and subscribe for more quality content. We'll be uploading other videos with this Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra we'll also be uploading different contents that you might also be interested in. So stay tuned for that. Thanks guys, and see you on the next video.